We're in downtown Bremerton, gorgeous city in northwestern Washington. This building has been here a number of years. It had a cladding on it where it was mostly stone.
Some of these rocks over time had come loose and actually had fallen to the sidewalk directly below. The owner didn't know what to do. They were in a panic.
The balconies, their front fascias, which were steel plates, were rusting out. The decks on it were completely worn. So they were really looking forward to getting something done.
We're always looking for the proper products for each individual project. With restoration, you open up a can of worms sometimes and you find more issues. We could find similar options from multiple manufacturers, but it kept on going right back to those family of brands because they were able to provide everything.
We feel like partners with Dryvit and Tremco and now Euclid because of these relationships and the fact that they bring to the table people that we trust, products that we trust, and the support that we need.
The knowledge that the reps had was second to none. The fact that they're all under the same umbrella just made it so much easier when it came to compatibility questions. We knew that their testing was done on each and every product, and we knew that you could intermingle each and every product.
When we package things up, such as on this one, they were able to give us a full comprehensive warranty covering the whole entire building from a single source. That was impossible from anybody else. Great selling point for the owners.
One family of companies by one contractor, and it just really makes our life easier and it makes our projects better.